motivation, and steps that can radically change your life. Find excitement in goals. How to make this process exciting and interesting. It's not just about setting goals. You need to find excitement in them. Instead of simply stating, "I want to get in shape," give your goal personality. For example, "I want to become the superhero of my story." This not only makes your journey more interesting, but also provides you with additional motivation. Here's an example. If your goal is to acquire a new skill, draw or find an image symbolizing that skill. It's a visualization of your goal, making it more tangible and inspiring. Let's take an example. Suppose you dream of creating and maintaining your ideal body. How do you make this goal more exciting and achievable? Host starts sketching on a whiteboard. Host, let's begin with visualization. Imagine yourself in the mirror, feeling healthy, energetic, and confident. Sketch this image. Let it be your inspiration and guiding light. Now, place this drawing where you'll see it every day, perhaps on the fridge or in the workout room. Each time you glance at it, you'll feel a step closer to your dream. Every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. Perhaps the first step is developing a workout and healthy eating plan, then slowly incorporating these changes into your lifestyle, and finally, gradually achieving your physical goals. I want to hear your stories. Share in the comments what goals you've set for yourself and what makes your journey towards them exciting. Let's support each other on this captivating adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for even more motivating content. See you in the next video.